हाय गाइस, मैं आज आया हूँ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एक्सपो के अंदर। और यहाँ देख सकते हैं आप पूरी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से रिलेटेड पूरी टेक्नोलॉजीज अवेलेबल है। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग से रिलेटेड बहुत सारी एसएमटी कंपोनेंट्स की कंपनीज़ भी अवेलेबल है, तो आप एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे इलेक्ट्रॉनिका नोएडा के अंदर। ये सारी एसएमटी की कंपोनेंट्स की कंपनीज़ है, जो एसएमटी चिप माउंटेड कंपोनेंट्स होते हैं उसको माउंट करने के लिए कंपनीज माउंटिंग करती हैं। और आप यहाँ पे इस तरफ देख सकते हैं अदर साइड पे भी कि कैसे ये टेक्नोलॉजीज काम करती है। बहुत ही प्रिसीजन लेवल पे ये सोल्डर पेस्ट लगाया जाता है और माउंटिंग की जाती है। ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स के अंदर वेव सोल्डरिंग की मशीन है, जहाँ पे पीसीबी के ऊपर कंपोनेंट लगाने के बाद ये अंदर जाती है और डिफरेंट टेम्परेचर प्रोफाइल के साथ ये पीसीबी पूरी इस फ्लो से जाती है। देन एसएमटी कंपोनेंट इसके ऊपर बाउंड हो जाते हैं। अदर और ये विजुअल इंस्पेक्शन की मशीन है कि कोई भी कंपोनेंट प्रीसाइजली करेक्ट हुआ है या नहीं हुआ है, तो उसकी इंफॉर्मेशन यहाँ पे आपको वाया सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू आपको मिल जाती है। और यहाँ पे आप एंगल्स एंड एवरीथिंग आप डेटा फेच कर सकते हैं। जो वो गुड पार्ट एंड बैड पार्ट है उसका भी ये एनालिसिस करके पूरा रिपोर्ट जनरेट करके दे देती है। इस तरह आप अदर प्रोडक्ट्स भी देख सकते हैं, डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ पीसीबी लेयर्स एंड उधर पीसीबी कैसे मैन्युफैक्चर हो रही है, क्या हो रही है, वो भी है अवेलेबल। और ये आपका सिरमा एसजीएस है, जिसमें अर्लियर मैंने काम भी किया था हमारे ईवी चार्जर्स प्रोडक्शन के लिए। ये बिग ब्रांड है ऑल ओवर द ग्लोबल मार्केट में, जिसका एक प्लांट गुड़गांव के अंदर है, एक प्लांट है इसका ताम्बरम चेन्नई के अंदर अवेलेबल है। और ऐसी बहुत सारी कंपनीज़ और भी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है। तो सारी कंपनीज़ को मैं एक साथ तो यहाँ आपको शोकेस नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन लेट्स एक्सप्लोर कि हम कौन कौन सी कंपनीज़ यहाँ पे एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं। तो ये विनायक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स है, विकिन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स जो कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है, ये भी प्रोडक्शन हाउस है। ये अनदर एक मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है जो कि पायलट प्रोडक्शंस के लिए कुछ प्रोडक्ट बनाती है। आप यहाँ पे शोकेस देख सकते हैं कि कैसे प्रोडक्शंस और ये सारी चीज़ें होती हैं। और नेक्स्ट आप इसमें देख सकते हैं, ये कोई इजियन एंड एम्बर ग्रुप ऑफ कंपनी इज़ अ पॉइंटर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड मैन्युफैक्चरिंग सर्विसेज। So this also you can explore that company. So there are several companies into the Indian market, so they are working into the manufacturing segments. So different kind of PCB they can manufacture for servers, data centers, solars, power electronics, and 5G data centers and other things are also there. And this is the testing jig provider company. So they will provide some test jig solutions for electronics testing. And you can see there the pogo pins and other kind of pins are available. So these kind of solutions are available in the Indian markets, and very high reliable electronics can be produced using that testing jigs and robust testing. So here also you can see the different companies are also there. Here another company is a Micron Aerosol company. So they also provide some of the chemicals for that PCB manufacturing and other kind of environments. So you can see their end customer. There are very huge kind of customers, and then they are targeting the different segments also. In backside also you can see there is different kind of chemicals and solar modules and other kind of products are also there. So let me do the business deals also with those guys. Like if they can sell the product via e-commerce platform also, then we can introduce our own platform with them also. Okay. And I can go for this area also. Like they also having some finished product like soldering iron and other things. So that product we can also sell via our online platform, and there are several products are available here. So we can ask with them like how we can sell this product via online platform also. company name is SCH, and then we can do deal with them, or we can sell their products also. So, do you sell your product via any e-commerce platform also?
Yes, sir. We sell it on Amazon.
Amazon. Oh, okay. So we have also platform like this is also e-commerce service provider. So we are working with that platform, and if you wish to sell your product with us, we are into the more expertise in electronic side and manufacturing side.
Okay.
So if you will go with us like that, and we can promote your product with our companies also. Like we are working.
I will just inform this to our marketing team.
Okay.
And you based out on?
I am from Udaipur, Rajasthan, and currently we are working in the Union Technologies in Gurgaon. So we have a manufacturing house in Manesar and one another in Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. We also have some requirements, this kind of products also. So if we can sell something with us also, then let us know. Like you can give me your sales team also, so I can connect with them, and then we can explore the business promotion. Here I am. Okay. So I will drop a detailed mail over this mail ID, and we'll explore like that how we can do that business. Okay.
Thank you.
So this is your catalog.
That's fine.
Okay.
But this we are not selling.
So which you can make any. Oh, thank you. Okay, so this soldering iron and other things we already explore, and there are different products also available with them. And here we can explore another electronics Illotropy products. So these are the SMD products, or solder paste and other kind of materials are available there. Solder paste technologies and different kind of things are there. So hi. So do you sell your product in India via any e-commerce platform also?
No.
So would you like to sell via our e-commerce platform?
No, not on the platform.
It's not possible. Okay, thank you. Here we can see that the peoples are also there. Here one showcase location is also there. Robotics, compliance and camera, and some XR kind of things are also there. There are several companies are there. Those are working into the electronics assembly and PCBA kind of things. Different kind of mechanical tooling companies are also there. So those are produce mechanical enclosure and plastic enclosure for the different kind of routers and other electronics products. We can explore further. People are here. So let's move for the next company. So this also we can see their magnetic products are also there. So do you have a finished product, or you are a manufacturer itself?
We are the manufacturer of machineries. To make this product, we manufacture.
Okay. So this is this you are doing as a EMS service.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Here some of the automotive kind of things are also there. Okay, let's explore further here. Some other well-known companies are also there, Sephora Technologies and today here also some electronics manufacturing tech giants are there. Those are manufacturing the PCBs. Here also we can see the PCB manufacturing company and battery cell manufacturing companies. So different kind of lithium-ion batteries are also there. They are manufacturing this. This is lithium-ion batteries. also there. Here some of the camera manufacturing companies are also there. Those are making innovative cameras, modules and different kind of cameras are there. Here other companies are also there. Some companies are into the different kind of manufacturing components are also there. So these products also we can explore, like how we can sell via our platform.
Wait.
I will take the photo. Okay.
So do you sell your product via online platform also?
Online.
So we have a e-commerce platform. If you wish to sell a few products with us, like then directly D2C or D2 कस्टमर के साथ हम डील कर सकते हैं. तो इसमें अगर कुछ प्रोडक्ट हो तो आप बताइएगा कि कैसे आप क्या कर सकते हैं.
हमारे पास जो प्रोडक्ट है वो यही इस तरह के प्रोडक्ट.
तो इसमें जैसे कुछ प्रोडक्ट है जो हम लिस्ट कर सकें और डायरेक्टली कस्टमर को शोकेस कर सकें, इस तरह है. कुछ बताइएगा. आपका मैं ID कार्ड दे देना, तो मैं आपको डिटेल प्रपोजल उस पर शेयर कर दूँगा. ओके, मैं आपको मेल ड्रॉप करूँगा. ठीक है, आप एक बार जरूर मेरे से कांटेक्ट कीजिएगा कैसे क्या कर सकते हैं. जैसे कुछ फिनिश प्रोडक्ट ऑलरेडी है आपके, तो वो हम डायरेक्टली लिस्ट कर सकते हैं. Here also one camera module companies are there, technologies, end-to-end surveillance and mobility intelligence. So these products are installed into the cars and other kind of things. Let me ask with that this product can be sold to the customer also. So hi, this product can be sold to direct customer or it's not possible? It's a B2B only. Okay. So it's integrated. Okay, some of the premium trimmers and other products are also there. These are different kind of Chinese manufacturing companies. Here the XR and VR kind of handsets are there. So these companies are also working into that domain. So you are doing digital twin for the manufacturing?
Not digital twin, sir. For example, if you need training,
Okay.
how to assemble the machine, how to assemble the product, we will do it.
Okay, so training you are providing through the
Mixed reality will be
XR. Okay, so through the XR technology, you are delivering the technology in the 3D environment. Like
So, for example, operator takes this part, places it, operator takes that and all, we can do training in that.
okay. So may I know your contact details?
I take one of these cards. Brochure is also here.
So we are also working into the educational side.
Okay.
So if you can support
Yeah,
with us,
please.
like then
You wear it and see. Go wear it and see. You can go wear it.
that already I explore in Siemens. They are doing for the transformer and other kind of training programs.
Got it.
So that way if we can explore together, then let us know. I will drop the mail with you also. Okay, thank you.